Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Microsoft Copilot in 2025 across Word, Excel, PowerPoint and more. So if you have never used Copilot before, this quick guide will help you get started the right way. So in order to use Copilot, you will need to have a Microsoft 365 subscription with Copilot enabled. It works best on the latest version of the apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams. So make sure that you sign in with a work or the school account that has Copilot access. Now, once you have the apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you can see the Copilot icon usually in the top right hand corner of the screen or in the home ribbon. So you just have to click on that and this type of Copilot panel will be opened in front of you. Now with Windows PC, you are going to get Copilot application by default, but you can also download it from Microsoft Store. You need to come on Microsoft Store and here you need to just search for Copilot. So this is Microsoft Copilot. You need to just simply install it and open it. Now once you open it, you will see the interface that will look something like this. The interface is kind of like ChatGPT. So here you can just ask it anything. You can either use these presets or these already given prompts like help me plan for, like, let's say, road trip. So after giving the prompt, it is going to take some time and it is going to give you the response. Similarly, you can use it for summarizing your document, or in Excel you can also seek help from it to create the chart showing the sales by region. So let's say I type this one, create a chart showing sales by region, and if I press enter, let's see how Copilot is going to respond for it. So as you can see, it has given me the response. So for more clarity, you can just basically use it with the help of your Excel account. So Copilot generate the suggestions for you, but you need to stay in control. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.